Morning fourth class. Today we are going to start a chapter 15 Roman numerals. Students, there are 7 basic rules to write the Roman numerals, that are I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500, M means 1000. I repeat once again. I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500, M means 1000. Before start the topic, there are some rules of understands the Roman number system. First is repetition of Roman numeral means additions. Means if the number is repeat, suppose there is a 1 is 2 times. Like I, it mean 1 plus 1, 2. Suppose it is repeated 3 times. It means 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, right? Only the symbol I, X and C and M can be repeated. Mean these 4 numbers just can be repeated, alphabets repeated. The numerals V, L, D cannot be repeated. V, L, D is never be repeated. No symbol can be represented more than 3 times. Mean maximum you can take a 3 times, right? If you write a 3, then you can take a 3 times. But if you write a 4, you cannot write like this. This is a wrong. Okay, this is another methods to write a 4. A smaller numeral written to the right of bigger numeral is always means if there is a 5, or we write it as 1 I, it means 5 plus 6. This is a bigger one, this is a smaller one on the right side, then it must be add. If there is a on a left side, then it is a minus. If there is on a right side, it must be a plus. If there is on a left side, then it is a negative. Suppose Ix means X means 10 and I means 1, means 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. Now again V, L, D are never be subtracted. I can be subtracted from V and X, means 1 can be subtracted from 5 and 10. V means 5, X means 10. 10x can be subtracted from L and C, means X is smaller than L and C. L is what? L is 50, C is 100, can be subtracted from X. C can be subtracted from D and M. Now come on exercise 15.1. There is a first question. Express the following in a Roman numerals. So first question is 44. First of all, we can write it as 44, means we know that 44 is 40 plus 4, right? So first of all 40 is made, 50 minus 10 is 40. Now 50 is what? 50 is L, 10 is X. It means we write on a left side, then it must be subtract, means LX means 50 minus 10, which is equals to 40, and 4 is IV, and which term right on the right side, it must be plus. So XLIV is your answer. Now 56 is 50 plus 6, 50 is L, 6 is VI, and 56 is LVI. 68 is 60 plus 8, 60 is 50 plus 10, LX, X is VII, which is LXVII. Now 98 is equals to 90 plus 8. Now we can write it 90 is as 100 minus 10. I tell you na कि we can subtract C from X. So C is 100 and X is 10 and we get a 90, and 8 is what? 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 8 is, this is 8 and we can write it as XCVII, that is 90 and that is 8, which is equals to 98, right? Now come on a second topic. Express the following in a Hindu Arabic number. Now see first question, XLIX. Now L is 50, XL means 50 minus 10, which is 40, and IX mean 90. 40 plus 90 is 49. This is your answer. Now LV, L means 50, V means 5. Now it is on the right side, so it must be plus. So 50 plus 5 is 55. Now L is 50, X is 10, 10, 5. Now they are on a left side, right side, so they all terms going to be plus, means 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5, that is 75. 5. Now XC 1, 2, 3 means 3 i's. Now C is what? C is 100. XC means we have to subtract 100 and 10. 100 minus 10 is 90. Means XC is 90 and plus 3, that is 93. Now C blanks, the symbol dash, dash and dash cannot be repeated. That is VLD never be repeated. The symbol VLD can never be subtracted. Repetitions of numeral numbers means additions. I can be subtract from V and X. X can be subtract from L and C. E symbol of IXCM can be represented at most of 3 times. I tell you before. Now this is a right and which of the following symbol are not meaningful? Write the correct numerals. See, this is a 4 time of X and I told you that we can repeat just only 3 times. So this is wrong. It means 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 40. Now how to write a 40? 40 is right is like this. 50 minus 10. Now 50 minus 10 is 40. 50 is what? L and 10 is what? X. 50 minus 10 is 40. Vx. Vx is wrong way. We cannot subtract X from V. It's right method. X means 10 and V means 5. It means 10 minus 5 is 5. But how to write a correct answer is V of 5. Now VV. That is 5 plus 5 is 10. But I tell you that 10 is X. 10 is Roman numerals of 10 is X. Now write there X. Now L, X, X, IX, IX. We cannot repeat IX, IX 2 times. Right formation is L, X, X, I, X. This is a correct formation. Now see question number 5. Write the Roman numerals between 25 to 35. Now 25. See 25 is 2 times of X plus V is 5. 2 times of X means 10 plus 10 plus 5 which is 25. Now 26 is XXVI. 27 XXVII. XXVII 28. XX1I is 29. 30 is repeat of 3 times X. Okay, again 31 is 3 times X plus 1. 32 is 2 times and up to so on. Now students 6, 7th and 8th question are similar. You can solve it. Now see question number 9. Write greater or less than sign in a boxes. Now XLIV. L is 50. Subtract 10. 40 plus 4. That is 44 and L is 50. Which one is greater? 50 is greater. So we insert a sign in that side. Now again 40 and 100. We put a this side. Again 40 and 70 we put a this side. Now see question number 10. Match the numerals of 2 columns. Now LII means 50 plus 2, that is 52. A XLV 50 minus 10 is 40 plus 5 45. This one. C is 100. XCVII 100 minus X is 90 plus 7, that is D is 97. Now you can solve it. I solve it and you can note it. With this your chapter is complete and try to solve on your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.